Here at BRECOflex, we have your back. This backing is EPDM. EPDM stands for ethylene propylene diene monomer, which is a synthetic rubber. It has a hardness of 65 Shor A and a coefficient of friction of 0.7. Note that friction is relative to the material and weight of the product being conveyed. EPDM is a machinable backing. A few examples include lateral machining, perforating, and longitudinal machining. EPDM has standard thicknesses of 2, 4, or 6 millimeters. The recommended minimum pulley diameters are 60 millimeters for a 2 millimeter thickness, 80 millimeters for a 4 millimeter thickness, and 120 millimeters for a 6 millimeter thickness. EPDM is very durable and resistant to heat and ozone, but it is not recommended for exposure to fats and oils. EPDM stands up to harsh environments and weather. It is recommended for high temperature applications. It has a temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, or 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Note that exposure to high temperature is recommended only for short periods because the base belt and bonding agent have a lower temperature limit. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.